topic ni entrepreneurship, right? Entrepreneurship, the entrepreneurship journey, the journey of entrepreneurship. Baby, a masses now, where the masses fall. Nipa dodo na ehonom na ya na obi besie. Because we Ghana hanom na wo school wi a wo fa. Adwuma ni ho. Enti adwuma ni ho na wo se wa wo ye den, wo create bibi. So the ability to create something, the ability to bring a product on board for people to give you money, the ability say be a over start akeka wa niema ye den abomo. Obi se me tomo, obi se me digwa me nye nantwie me dokoko me yese. Saa niema nketenkete na okeka bom a kwa wo ya obi a ma osika over time. Be unsa afida be company kase ampa. Alhaji Ismail, good morning. And saa niema na okeka bom na wa nkasa wo build wo de kakra obi anso wasen aban bi amboa no. Wo be entrepreneur ampa. Entrepreneurship ne the ability to bring something that will what niema bi a wo value a nipa be hwehwe no mo de sika ma wo. Saa niema nketenkete no na your friend is entrepreneurship na a process ampa a process enye one day thing. So the entrepreneurship journey is a long term journey. Na nipa dodo na no ho na ya na ye tae den eko because medinka kan wo Ghana hanuma wo wie school adwuma ni ho entine wo se wan kasa wo ko so ti wo Jesus for na o man timi anto aso anko SHS na o mo starting ntem entine yesa emma yenya more entrepreneurs our system ni mu na yen so we need more of entrepreneurs ye penkrofo a o mo ko into entrepreneurship. Be building factories, be creating niema. Sa nkrofo ne ye de kekere mayo. Enti no pe omaya develop biana. E was say onya nkrofo a they have entrepreneurship mindset, entrepreneurship driven, and that is where omaya betimi ayden akonanim. Ampa enti no wa mo hwe bia no yedamase Benada Domanko yadasi ohenkase. And your Facebook and YouTube live. Enti no baby a wo bia no obetimi are connected to those channels. Na ya na network ni na high so nampa Ghana your system ni bi no ye ti ase ti fechire etwa no ho ana asa bam ti momfa ni sa mai ani. And greetings family, we come together again to learn from our great professor. Wow, let's share for others to join. Absolutely. So share. So before we proceed, let's do this books now ya kind of and boa we entrepreneur ha no ma wo fa ade be boa wa ni nimde a wo bepe what you say nimde. So the knowledge that you go for or the knowledge a wo be akwa na na be kire bebi a beduo. Yes, so but to do hello yeah me so and the knowledge now open and then a be kire pempen so abedu. So if you are here and you don't go for knowledge, my brother, oboa emfa na e move do na ye start fetire na diegu because nimdia na ye dey business no oni bi se woni sa nimdia na emfa ho ni bebi a obe de obedro enti the books ni bi nie Mr. Obin the books no onya bi kan ya beboa wo what you say last week me ye ho advert ni nipa bebre na frefre bisai me momo kwan o mefa so o menya bi beboa no tinya bi kan enya o textbooks ne kwa. So this is financial freedom. Nipa biano making your money work for you. I was say when you have freedom, I was sikamu because if you have financial freedom, rofa, I'm very respect you. What is sikamu here? Now we have freedom. Nya de bia na obekwa adwuma. Financial intelligence. Obi a oye intelligent to sika bia mu no ototo ne sika ye. Streamline how to teach yourself money. Sika yesua nya oil. What you say? Africans advantage, right? Becoming a positive African, right? There are unlimited opportunities here in Africa, and then we have real estate. Into estate, no. We have reset, right? Building yourself through African history. You are not part of the game, and so self-investment. You need to develop yourself constantly if you want to win, right? So perspective. how to develop the mind to build and start your own business. The mind is an engine, and you must constantly develop it. This is sales system. I'm customer service in very poor. Niema bebre ohonoma money nipantemu kasampunya. You need this book, right? And then we have resilience, how to develop the strength and courage as an entrepreneur, right? We have this one, unlimited opportunities. There are 1 million opportunities here in Africa, but because you cannot see, your mind is blind. So you will complain that there is no opportunity here. I have completed university. I'm waiting for somebody to employ me. I have waited for 5 years now. I'm a nursing graduate. I have completed nursing training. Nobody has employed me. I am waiting for somebody to employ me. Get this book. Unhia so bi ebefa watua wo kan sana. Wanya iska. Enti start with kakra na wo yede wo no. Ye mu bebre ni enti a ama ya bra abo asɛ ne sɛ ye mpɛse ye be start bibi. De bia obi no amfa ma yendi. Enti ye be hia. Enti na na me sɛ ye nsua entrepreneurship no. Entrepreneurship. Now, be able to be an entrepreneur and never right? So, entrepreneurship is a lifelong journey, like I said. And we school, no, even for how we school, or school, no, not was starting here, baby, or turn near or turn books, or turn pen, and to was started our journey, no. And to know back out now. Be a buying fan and as you own your money, near man, I know you know, but twice or field, no. Oba petre no anya shop fetre no wa just talk here na niema emuma wa be entrepreneur and entrepreneur and most times no aya na nya straightforward sa I say pressure bi na man nipa bi ko pie mu fetre sa because abibi man mu ha no obi am pese oba yesa adwuma no obi a pese o nurse obi a pese o doctor obi a pese o lawyer and most times no mo a pressure come mo no Obeha na wa be entrepreneur na eho na yedie no nso wo enti wonnim na ma men kan kire the entrepreneur people no mo control wealth ewo man biam omo na mo kura sika no millions no mo control because eho na sika no na eho nso na edin kakra edin kakra because e wo start a wonya mboa obi ani ho beboa ye be kan bambu asema kire ye ko school no ko do banche Bema oton kokonte bema oton dokono sansem no mbe kan kire o but se wutimi gina mu che na se wa ma wa ba ma mbu a you one day become successful na omo sere wo no they will come back and then laugh with you. So my name is Richard Awuni Tohe and we are live on Facebook and YouTube. Obetimi subscribe to all those channels and na abua ma bibia eden akoso kama. So entrepreneurship journey is not the straightforward journey. When shada hu anim sa and shada one but it's a vision driven. I say one who be na opese we but ade na one who na opese we opese bring bibi on board but there is no any straightforward sa. Enti wo pempem wo sori na waka wo ya bom na wo yese na watwe ase na wo sa na entrepreneurship tie but ade ba ko se wo pick some industry bi a wo pese wo ye dey wo focus on e bi asa na ma we na me pese me focus wo mu enti wo pick sa industry na afi na wo be focus wo mu ho na wo be sua nyansa but se wan hu ni sa ye mu bebre no ye keka ne ma ne bebre di bomu enti at the end of the day no na ye hu ne ye na aburo ye so ne woman ne se ebejai no aka se adwuma ne nye enti sa entrepreneurship no wo ya enshada nye straightforward sa aye no ho some way bi na wo fa ha na why say okay kan ye ma bobom sa so that is entrepreneurship. So now let's proceed. So oba abibiman mo anasa school na nkasa no omo train ye se na be ya be ba bonten ade abepa adwuma but entrepreneurship no dey ntisa entrepreneur no na wo create you are creating your own business anasa job and no bimbe kan kire o se say formula bi an sheda ni hon formula wo ha ya ni edin unia ni edin a untimi entrepreneur wadi ase because omo ni edin no no mutimi edin kunim wo mu na school ni de bia wakọ ni atetew owie no oye kan sen oye lawyer ni enti no person obi nya case no be den obedi ma no we no say doctor entini ya post no okoye adwuma o ye kan say kolebu eno no woni formula na bia say ni say no wo fa so, but entrepreneurship is not like that. We never say we create the ability to create something, the ability to bring something on board, ability to bring some product. Wow. Niema saa na your friend is entrepreneur no. Entini niema be na watimi di aba board ama nipa hia wo hwehwe wo amopese omoje. Value be no create a ntino enya ban na de ma wo a nipa hia wa omodi sika ma. Saa niema na wo ye no and your friend is entrepreneurship. And entrepreneur no different from si wa wie school ni afa wa adwuma. Da bi wo ye doctor ni na wo hye ho bopa ni a onye entrepreneur. Wono say adwuma no wo ye ne atua oka, but entrepreneur no wan kasa na wo create niema de aba out wo betua wo ho ka wo be ye wo ho CEO, you become the CEO. Wan kasa wo be ye cleaner, wan kasa wo start as anatio wo na wo to niema ina wo make sure say bibia be den e beto ye. So that is entrepreneurship no na wo manage business no. Enye obi na ebe manage na wo ko huni HR na hwan human administration dabi wo na wo be sa nkrofo ni na wo be ye ho security, wo be ye ho cleaner, wo be ye ho accountant, wo be ye ho manager ni na wo ba be sa niema no wa na wo tu hofo wa na wo encourage wo ho enti se sa niema we nyina no den na omo pese omo die no omunim enti most times ne ya eboa ne say ebia obehunu mentor bi nipa na eniema na wo ye na obi ye bi na ebia wa ye de wa tufu wo ho eno na ya etoda na etaboa wo because ade na wo ye ne say obi ye bi na say wo ma wo afutu a boa o shielding na say wa nya san crofo na you will have to encourage yourself. So entrepreneurship ne nya falasa but emu ode eye sense wo be ye be fa wa adwuma na atua oka entina I to say wanya vision be, it is driven by vision. So entrepreneurship na so wo man hu ade bia omo pese omo ye enti omo pimpim saa akopim se saa de no beba out. Mr. Zuma ya da se wo hwe entina saa na entrepreneurship tie enti wo koye market wo ba Africa, most Africans no a lot of them no they are entrepreneurs. Ukodwem ye ma mo ye nuamba ma no mo niema o mo ye ni dwem no enya aban na so ma asene o mo ankasa they are trying to find something o mo pese o mo de bibi ba fie they are trying to bring money on board until they find ways and means no mo akeka niema bom na disguiding abre mo. So no mo entrepreneurs no ukodwem ma me no oton kobi oton momone oton tomatoes obi ton cars, obi ton car honiema, obi ton dusters, obi ton praye. Obi ankyere na si won koye ono ankasa no tena se no design ye. Ono an o create ye because Ghana ha no won go school mo obi nka nkyere se beton praye, beton koko. No, won kan kyere. Ni obe ka kyere wa ne se kone ko page ma papa bi ye. Enti no omo training entrepreneurs. But omo so no omo kreska no. Omo no omo dos nso. Enti no wa na wo find a way out. Send a bear brabo bed a bear kama. Right? So entrepreneurship is about problem solving. Entrepreneurship no is all about problem solving. One who how be now will no immediately I'll be na fast next guy then. So entrepreneurship is about problem solving. Intimidating can't say don't expect people to encourage you. Encourage yourself. When you are starting people will not encourage you. They will discourage you. Now obi a we university pa na wa ba wo koye fite adwuma. Me adwuma fun we de me ye. Obi a we university pa na wo ton ice kenke. That is it. The family they will reject you. Yeah, they will go school sebe page ma papa biye. Ya nkase be boku bi ton. Sa no me kan kire wo. Entina wo se wo hye wo ho den. Midinka ka say akukuduro wuni akukudura entrepreneurship no ntimi ye. Formula ba kwa ewo mu ano no. Courage. You need to develop courage as an entrepreneur. Now so one develop courage na obua ebejai ebeduregu. And to the people who have courage. So if you have the vision, you have the courage, you can easily come out. Na ya ye ni akukuduro no. Omo kan sa kire ya na abamabu ni ajai. Ye jaya e kope visa. Entini saa nneɛma no yɛnkɔpɛ visa yɛkɔdi politicians n'akyi. And if you come to Africa, most of your nkurɔfoɔ no, or say I'm an entrepreneur, or parliament on my also entrepreneur, only entrepreneur, on creative. Yes, you can already develop a also entrepreneur. A dear my ben, or I can't boom. What to make a can boom my own friend entrepreneur. Because entrepreneurship is they are the people or one casa creating near my back out. I this kind a bromo. Those are the entrepreneurs. So encourage yourself. Don't wait for somebody to encourage you. Because when I know how I will know, into one shell who's ding. Now I'm my near netting. Now we'll try to bimbe shell and cry and sign away your business now of and fat. And to know about now I share information. We are live on Facebook and YouTube, Richard Awuni. What share no comment here, for fair. What you say? And don't expect people to encourage you. Your classmates, or they will not encourage you. Because I'm not pay juma of Viari, Giari ho, a be pay juma or Kukubo near Honka, one quad also be Bokubi, one quad also be Chincherie, a brantia where we school, I made the Uku school by a video over be Chincherie. What you say? Aha, and to know Sanyama women. Say, well, who know, wouldn't mean Gentina because we entrepreneur constantly no, or so do Hubanians are for. Or so penny me dear. So I'm penny me dear. Untimi nyeden ending kunim na nkrofo na abrebia mu penny me dear no, they will constantly win. What you say? And that is entrepreneurship. So you will learn a lot. Entrepreneurship na since I will go school. Every day biano you are learning. Every day you are learning. Mistakes are eba na usia na hatija obi adi uzika weka bia wiao. Money process. It's a learning process. It's challenging, but you don't have to give up as part of it. Into no entrepreneur, or PIY entrepreneur, what me build a successful business. Biano, Opa Busano, one funny easy. A more thing, especially the beginning, no, it's not easy. Oba bread, ye baby, you will book Quasia, Chaze, a do baby and nipa to me poor. But because you have the vision, you don't give up and you fight until that vision becomes a reality. So whatever that you are doing now, I want to tell you that don't give up. It doesn't matter how you started it, Don't give up. Push it and you will one day become successful. It's a natural law. One day it will explode. People will get to know you. Sometimes when you start it, for instance, into trading, sometimes you can go to your shop, nobody will come. You can sit there 1 week, nobody will even come and ask you that, what are you selling? Those times you don't have to give up. Just find some water, drink, come back again, open it. The time you have to open. Close the normal time now. Be in a normal time now. But I'm forgetting. Penchi we be see hunari na to so one day obi beba. And when you ma sa stage na abeka na say kwa me krampo no ye adwuma wo ADBO. Abosumi ye betia ne ka kwa me ye mane 3000 ba me betina ha abosumi ye minya 500 Ghana. Me ma no mbu abam. The next 5 years you will make 100 times near the makwa me wo how do you call it, ADB no. Because the starting is not easy. That is where most of our people don't want to go. Starting, they don't want to bear that pain. But that process, my friend, you can never escape it. The entrepreneurship process, if you want to become successful, you can never escape the process. There are a lot of challenges involved, but you don't have to stop. The failures and the mistake, you need to keep pushing. So when you start as an entrepreneur, one thing I also want to say, don't compare yourself to others. Men found to talk for now only more or classmate for anyone down for no. Don't compare yourself to them. Men can so more money, you my papa be no more yentino, or Montibia muye or more dressing ye, or bimpo hire rented diamond car. Now the other sort of singing room. Also, I know pa now jina kwan ho ton pike there be mawaba mumbu. It's a vision now. In the Gaka's entrepreneurship is about vision driven. One who be now person, oh yeah. And to be until us here, I saw Bodama Juma. but damn for sorry, baby open or continue entrepreneurs are now too. Sometimes you to miss or near Casacasa, you nam near Casubecasa, at the Wabodamana, and near my cosu trimino, a son. Because you are the whole company, one Casana with General. One business ni na. Kwan ya befa so atua rent, kwan ya befa so atua we keseka, kwan ya befa so abi adwuma foforo, kwan ya befa so ade product aba, enema bebre na ekoso wo adwum ti de bia wadwen na yete se obi a yahwie kerosene agu trim no. Entinenya easy, but we say we the way over time no you become successful. A long term entrepreneurship is a long term journey. And one day it take time. Sometimes 1 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years, 10 to 20 years. Obi hold my bay within the space of 1 to 5 years, no are successful. Obi had the space of 1 to 10 years, no are successful. Obi hold my 1 to 15 years and son are successful. Obi po had 20 years and son are successful. But you stay in the game. You have to stay in the game. It's a stage of it's a stage I want to be a every blessed day you are learning new things as an entrepreneur. Every day piano I say work school the money so you constantly have to develop yourself. If as an entrepreneur you develop yourself. If you want to win, you can't win without and the people are constantly entrepreneurship they don't develop themselves. They don't go for knowledge. Because the things that you are struggling with, somebody have passed through that stage. So what is preventing you? Now you seek guidance, you seek knowledge. As an entrepreneur, the people are doing the same. There are some people doing the same thing that you want to do. So why don't you go to them, talk to them, ask them how they were able to come out with those kind of challenges? So the people who are constantly going for those kind of knowledge, or more fun easy kakra, because a near mana wo bre woman obi atraho. Now what traho no when bia on wonyanye de wonyan du honum. What is it? And that is entrepreneurship. So you have to open and learn constantly. And to make us entrepreneurs no mo muska. Oni ma min kan kire. Every entrepreneur be our successful no muska. Ampa. Omo no control millions no. O call my bia mo omo muska ni na entrepreneurs. They are the people who controls the wealth. They controls the millions. They controls the billions. Omo no muska. A journey and your comfort when you are starting. There is no comfortability when you are starting as an entrepreneur. But if you don't give up and you keep pushing, you will one day become successful. And you can do everything that you want to do. Now, nim sa niema obi a onim sa de we no. Omokoso ayden edi nkunim. Ente me ka say o pese o entrepreneurship and also pese o entrepreneur. Choose a specific industry. Nehama womu. Men keka niema no mbom too much. Pick a specific product. Pe ade bi na fa wani focus was ade no ho. We are na say successful and now pese o di bi kan ho na o di bi aka ho. Men keka niema ni na mbom. Etoda yesa wonya time mpo man because when na wonko a o start gina na wo workers and gina wo mpe worker. And I was onya specific industry bi na wo master wom. And na successful enough you was start here pay other things at the account. And the one yan is na wo ko beginning na wo ko kanye ma no bebre bomu wo bi ton car wo ton we wo ton polytank wo ton hwan we see can ebe she kakra na ebe she obi be biti simple but just focus on one industry. Na say year afi why then wa pe bi aka ho. There is no education limit. We entrepreneur. Yenisa min ko school ntina. Me nyanwie school ntina. There be everybody can become an entrepreneur. Whether you are a professor, doctor, whoever you are, you can become an entrepreneur. Everybody. The only thing is one who be now person we dey. Oh yeah. And no be a bit man entrepreneur. Say why we school, we school, why see classroom that say one call classroom that you can become an entrepreneur. There is no education, say be a education limit, and I say age limit, there be obi a bit me a yebi. Say okay, can you ma boom na this cabrel there? Everybody obi a bit me a yebi. So everybody can become an entrepreneur. There is no limit. As to say, manya 40 years in me entrepreneur. Me 15 years, there be obi a bit me entrepreneurship. And for instance, omo mo start early na boa omo. Obe say oh yes, successful entrepreneur. Omo start early no. It helps them. Obi o hono ma wono oye aban adwuma. Ontimi kan bibia mbom nkan aban adwuma no ho. Oti ho saa o twen say me call pensioner. Wa call pensioner fe na be bie school. Na wa hodin bia de bie school. Entino obeba be bie school no all right. Ontimi manage school no man nye successful. No wa agya ho. Nipa na obe to aso na ono so because of so ni sa I understand no. Obe jaya ma na ede agu. Entino we entrepreneur person ko entrepreneurship start early. Man twen me wie school answer there be obetimi a start wa abra wo school no. So you can start it while you are still schooling. So don't wait till you complete school. Don't wait till you go to pension before you start what you want to do. Start it while you are still studying. Start it while you are still doing that business now where the way. Obetimi anya time they are starting. Ebia we adwuma o ye kan say hospital. And in open hospitals now, so 3 hours ne there now there. Can you find something and add it? So 3 hours, can you find something at this cabebro? So you become an entrepreneur. So you don't wait, say, oh, you're national service in Tino. When you are finished, you want the government to employ you. While we nursing training, what if you be on fire, Juma, while young for your indomie, a bit mobile money, a bit ton body, a bit ton cocoa, a bit ton shoe, and the other one to me, be oh, chance are buying on for answer. There be. Start something. Obetimi aton pen, obetimi aton books, obetimi aton nsuo, obetimi aton nchene masa. Me say ade bia nipa hia omodi sika bebre no nya start pe you have become an entrepreneur. Wa be CEO, wa na manage adwuma no. So tough times refines great men. Ebre mu odin na obehunu omo omotimi ye de timi gina mo mbema kase akokudrufu odo. Tough times na refine omo. And tough times na my hunu entrepreneurs no. Etoda obi wo on man ho kire na nsa na obe start bibi. Wonya bibi ntwadi ani ndi sa abre no na obe start. Wati ase. Anti pressure na mani padodo na point entrepreneurship. Nya sa nko obi ampese obe ko pressure. Ani nti na okwa entrepreneur. So entrepreneurship is not smooth like most of people or mutias enye falasa and enye fala. Ube lose ska. You will lose a lot of friends. A lot of people will ube lose you. Immediately I will say person ube ukobo kubeton o classmate for ni na omo obe yaka automatically ombeti omo ho afiri ho. O ma amemponi obekon, o papa ne obekon. Wa bodam yakotia school fees bebrebe we na obeton kube. Wa dwenye adwuma ho. School fees bebrebe amitua o se obeton wa che. Kwaku yare ana. So that is it. But you don't have to give up. Obeya akopem se wa che na wo ton no. Ebeba be big restaurants. Onim say a company o. Onka wo kofa wo koye wamu bie wa che joint. Ana say a company kese na wo kum ni afa na etua 500 Ghana enko ye okay. But wo na wo start kakra na over time no bia obetua manfo kan. Wo say nye. Sa no motiti yo. That is the notion. So we were trained to look for job, but not to create. So a lot of people, they are waiting for somebody to employ them. The ability to create something that will work for them and bring them money, no, we don't want to go there. Why? Because the education that they gave us, we were trained to constantly look for a job. So when we come out, nasi yanya job, there is no opportunity in Africa. Therefore, we are going to Canada, we are going to Germany. now or visa. Do you get it? So you have to create something, bring something on board. Just sit down, put pen and book down, write some things down, bring some product out that people will give you money. What the other won't mean produce a corner of beton and no. Simple. But we entrepreneur dino cre. It was how dino cre. Because entrepreneurship no say on dino cre won't mean entrepreneur. Be loyal to people. Cannot cre men chantro. Because nipa bebre na oma collapse or businesses because of no credit. We entrepreneur the business a product be amount. So supplier the near amount. Cotton first cabra wa kodi. We hear one farmer be. But to more mudino creno, they constantly win. So if you're an entrepreneur here or you want to go into entrepreneurship, be faithful. Nipana on your musiano. Yes, sir. Nana Kwedos. Safokantanka Doctor Piao Ampa Yamikazie. And Tina was out dino cre. Wouldn't dino cra, wouldn't mean entrepreneur. Or more my successful piano. Sometimes we supply to me the near my mouth. Oh, cotton first cabra. Now I cotton out the ban was hammer beam. But I won't kind of cry away a cron for over. Wouldn't mean yebi. Because I thought that was store now I see no near my woman. Cron for bit me boo rooms is near money na. Now say was supply our dino creature and our miss hammer near my libium. But who won't dino cre. Yeah, the product no matter near Jessica, and I say, on one kind of cre, undi no crentra. And to know entrepreneur di no cre, no credit, I will get trickers here. Right? Your honesty is your capital. Kiwo di na kaye. And to say, odi no cra, Jumana bear for amount. A bear easy hiding, the amount. So, my name is Richard. When we are talking of entrepreneurship, until we hear no share video no comment no like ya my YouTube na as network na high kakra and yes entrepreneurship is a long term journey. It's not smooth. You will go through a lot, you will learn a lot. So once you start, you become the CEO, you become the cleaner, you become the manager, you become the accountant, you become the finance manager yourself. What now obey bibia. I remember I started Jumana Jamenqua store now, ye Jumam now sada. To open our was ada, I did channel was sorry. Obesorin tem, send a bay workers, customers in Betu say, a honor that. What you say? Wabu ketted ya kusi baby. A crack when you sky, because at time is scanning who need be now their current. What you say? Fetch, now if it's cannot start ba, now so current dying. Now I say, oh, yeah, then. Oh, be muka crack now for product now, yes, Sanya, and to begin in the early stage, it's very tough. So that time the near and crop one so or more trap application. Or who I must say, Quasiampin, oh, yeah, my compared to my papa, Tianum now, and say, Mono. Or Montiasie, we entrepreneurship, we entrepreneur, or beyond till I say. One quan now, yeah, day. What you want say. So, motto is just stay in the game. Don't quit. Because the early stage, is not smooth. But the end result, if you are able to stay in the game for some years, I need the open a tone of cramadi or say a year, and a dark robot me at Nas and now I check our classmate for about 20. Obet me at your mina cabe 5 years. Bet me at your cabe 10 years. But we starting now into min top pen. Now into min rented dine. Into no entrepreneur. Sanya ma we monobe hunu. Na Genia one kasa na obe testified ye can say result na na say obe testify challenges obe the obe famu. But most of entrepreneurs easy more most especially more starting. And in a way entrepreneur who entrepreneurship no more. Ada say we are ban adwuma na we adwuma foforo ka ho. E bia wo nkwan na we adwuma. Ne me pese me ka kire wa ne say entrepreneurship journey enye smooth especially we start here. But say we ye na say do baby a wo be dim kunim wom. Sika ne beba, omo na omo control sika no. nti ne nya easy saa but koso aye den eye ade abeboa se obedi nokre no wapeni bidie ane na wanya wakukuduro ne na beboa wonni akukuduro a wontimi ye what is here entrepreneurship no emode because edumre bia sika no beba mo what they compare some years back na we hwe wanyonkofo a na omo seresere na wo ye wi a afi na busuafo ne beka se kwadwo obi aba abesrawo ba we start ne de omo se wa bodam wa wi university na oton kube wo ye waache entini sa na system ne tie. So you need to understand yourself. So once you said you become an entrepreneur, no, family will reject you until you be successful, and you have to prove them wrong. And your mind be entrepreneurs in control your mind. They controls the economy. Through that no more produce the bar out no more no more. Near my old cold dreamer who are a dreamer out to turn, they are the people producing it. So what product are you selling? Edema be na wo de value atoso a wo hwese nipa mfa sika mbra ombeje. Se wo ni bia. Aya na yedi na ho den. Yedi no ho be den yeden, edema. So entrepreneurship kekanie mabom, wa watena sia kekanie mabom. Toto niema na afi no sika na eden, a start yeden eba. Intimidate Richard Awuni. Oh here on Facebook na say onyan follow ya obetimi follow ye. Oh here on YouTube na onyan subscribe ya obetimi adan a subscribe ye. Ya YouTube channel no mon ko subscribe ma ye. Ane na mon boa ye ka ho bi. What ase ye. Abrebia no akwanya kakra e benya no yenso nimdie bia ye won ye ntena so ni abecha ama mo. Obeti ana aboa no nipa bebre na aboa mo abrabo. Aha ntene na mo subscribe ama ye na eja. Yenso yetimi ayere ho aye adwuma ni ye. And is about entrepreneurship. Yes, entrepreneurship no. So one kasa wo keka niema bomo na wabeda no big company, wabeda ni business, wo ton niema, niema bi a wan kasa wo ya enye obi na ema osikase fa be anase enye obi na create system na anase business na amount. The most entrepreneurship no, entrepreneurs no omo na create omo adwuma. You create your own job. You don't wait for somebody to create and employ you. And tina dia adwuma na wo ye this ka bebre wo tina bi wo ma onim so entrepreneur mpo or to store bia no for some years ni onim so entrepreneur wa na wo manage ade no nti wo entrepreneur onkoje afutuo mfi obi ho wo sori akwan abefa so abetuatua wa wo ka no workers no how abefa so atua mo no na ade e de say wotimi be successful ma e refine o ema be bia obegina bia no wotimi gina obi a wo ye successful entrepreneur bia no fa won't be no because omo go through a lot. They learn a lot. What your mind man mpo be manage because niam a wa fam wo grants ho no. Na san crofo na nka wo so omo manage your mind no. Nyo bi a wa kwotena Canada, wa ko Oxford University, wa kwotena Broni Kroma oba ha wo se yemfa man penyini man. Oba ha wo se obe contest for MP. Sa nipa we no won't mbu mind no. Sa entrepreneurs no, omo no betimi employ, omo betimi manage your mind no. Because challenges I also am from they understand the challenges the people, the masses goes through. Omunim how ne amania nipa na mu. Entino obi a we successful entrepreneur bia no fa ntimi emfare ndi agro. Oma bre. Obesua ade. Ha, since we akwaje adopa. Bon, obe bre. Na se wa ma wa ba mu ambu a one day. Bible in the kind or say wa mo abambu adakro ya be bo wa hinche abotiri ni ye be den ye de be show I feel better big man na man for the proposal say ba obi apese oben obi apel na maje by time I was starting on entisa we start here entisa o entisa obi ampese obeben obi a oton kube de o nyanko ne hwan ada no na me koto kube na boys tu no moton kube na mba bi twem o se me pa de me boy de oton kube anka me mpe no boy ma oton kube de ede na me no ko twempena ana ga ni gina ho no nse se mo mbra ba se wo o boy na o ye adwuma bank no me de sika menya no boy no o nya bi da bosome and a fact sika ku bi tonfo no benya no manager no wonya na o bank o hwan mu sika na o kan dwadifo sika kubefo sika na mo kan kelewelefo sika na bank fo no kan entrim fatan ko bo ho ntina bank ho sem ye manager bosome ni ama 3000 uhu obi a oton kube oton wachi a o bedi na tabse adwumafo timba no bebre no mo mpe entrepreneurship fo no especially omo start no ohwe na we say we are no why fees no pe omo address shepe no omo nso kapre o omo ni foko what you say so when you are entrepreneur nipa bebre na mpese ombeben sometimes starting no they don't want to get close to you because obi a gentle now per gentle abeden wanyeska gentility without capital and for so be any so why a gentle what pocket come and so capre wofa na ye adwuma wan ya me ye adwuma wa hanum ni see wofa capre entine ye adwuma edis ka bebrew adwuma enye kro no saa niema no ana yede diye entine we entrepreneur abusuafo bepo wadamfofo bepo wanyonkofo bepo but memma wabamumbu entine ma be na obetimi aye edis ka bebrew nimdia na wo ko school ko je ye nyina no what other things can you do that will bring you money aside your salary no international churches aniema no ebia wo ye school ni wo betimi ayeden wo betimi aton books ama onyonkofo wo betimi aton nsuo di abaomo wo betimi aton product bi di amaomo wo community ni wa wie school ye nyamfa awadwuma eniema be na wo betimi aton a obi diska bebrew product be na betimi akofa abadwama nso a diska bebrew entrepreneurship no netenten ne tietia na wontwan se obi mfa wadwuma you are creating your own job entisani amano woya obedane entrepreneur obesua ne ama pi tise ne amedin kan ye den e kan ye no enti abusuafo sa wonya start ya fa ho kom wan ya be later man because the honey scout ho e brand no wom scout ho enye easy sa why we SHS why decide say me nko school biem me pese me ko build the business e to da family for no mo pa me mpo free fie ho enye easy o e decision bi a very tough kwa ko me se ko university ma me se me nko me kwa akodo banche wo nka me mba ho biem sometimes parents no munya abotre ma mbofra no the parents you have to be patient enkwala no there are some things or moti home who there are some kids enkwala bia they see the future who said no they be am person mo de me call me fa ho a niema na mpese me ye no mintimi ye but parents no tintina wo me say wo pe obey lawyer wo pe obey bank manager there be you don't decide for them you guide them men impose some courses be man kwala no let them decide you the only thing you are always say you say obey guide them wo buy with me who say ono no wafa onye journalist still was obey kwa journalist on be TV broadcast one bet now and I'm by on bet TV so am ho fefefe wo e person ka me ban so kwotena ho nanko no there be wafa wo ba no nye sa adwuma na oso oye wo ba no onye TV presenter o for se ne chenchina won konkoye mo no ankasa ndisade nkwala ni bi wo hodma ye wo mo no they have some talent bi o mo de baaye wo hia se wo be guide no wa polish sa ne ma no by parents no be impose wo pe wo be so jani me madam for your police ni penyini wo wie school am de wo kwese ho ye easy afi wo kwetena ho a onim si ne ye adwuma no ni aka ni so be je bribe enti men impose nkwala no men introduce o motu niema o mpe. Let them decide what they want to do. Guide them and polish them to become successful in those areas. Akwesi wunyina be the menu amu wasi wo ya boa. Manumi hu se me wo. akwala ne so obenoa monti no wo di na tem ade ya nko sojani onko lawyer no mo na wo se obenoa no company no ka ho asem ha o KFC omo ye aduane big company woni employees omo wo se obenoa mo ankyere se oba benoa mo asi kwan ho na yi o even though wo se start wo ho no over time no it becomes a big company. That is entrepreneurship. So you don't put akwala no down say won't me benoa mo. So akwala no wuja no start mo no na over time no ba nya companies. Mo company obetumi produce afa workers atwa mo ka. Ndiane no mo ye no man mu no onim sika amanfo di. Linda Dormo, they have been in the business for years. Do you know how much they are making? Inti obebu wo bana bem. Bema wonu abanku. Bema woton kokonte. Bema kwalunto. Debi mentie ni ombe ka kire wo no. Enti maka kire se wo ye entrepreneur. Niema na society ne be ka kire wo no. Udi agora beja adwuma no. Yeah, it is very discouraging. They will discourage you, but you have to encourage yourself. And no among cans and sema ebesha unkran ma wa ye ne ogusu ye no. And sema ebefi o manum beba bia no poisonous. Na wo no e we se o hye wo ho den. Wa ma wa ba mambu a omo di watem no wo ba be fa omo mba adwuma afi omo nya program omo be frɛ wo yemfa invitation koma hwan restaurant ba tama no so no table so na mo mpese mo beben no pati ase ai enti we entrepreneur over men flash iska no especially mo am start no we entrepreneur you see money no it gets to a stage back a crack. That time is when me control ho a obekele dream no. If you are entrepreneur, successful entrepreneurs bia no omo ntutu scanner jajamu no omo di scanner markets no omo to talk cars any kwan so omo si told I was starting scanner ba pesa time na fe na odefo okopia asase okotoka o si dan there be you invest the interest, you invest the money back into the business until the business becomes successful. And it's a one who is near man and as a one beginning no what start to say oh this can be flash it I feel when yes kakakra na o guess 2 o guess 3 bronu bia o ge ho ka open auto obegu adwuma no and no person we successful entrepreneur. Don't start enjoying the money early. At early stage, you are not part of people who are going for clubs and enjoyment too. Flashing people with cars. No, trying to prove to people that you are also a big man. No. Low key. Kode na wo sheho. Emo mu hunu. Na kwaso a build the business no. Build na kopim se obenya 1 million. Now we got 10 million, 50 million. Sa na fi why den. Won be hu sa kwaku akwa na yi ne na chese ajiriga omoye hwe nya yie biem. Na wo early age no. Wo ye yie kakra unya 100,000. O ko pesa ase. O bisa ka abo. Na wo de 100 no koto ka na ebe kasen. What you say? Enti na ho na nipa be brain feeling. Enti we entrepreneur don't flash the money. Lifestyle bi wo hono ma, you have to cut it until you become successful. First, what means what are the don't mean 3 you a month. But I say, why successful in Tino? What me cost shop echo 2,000. Why a year? But who start your offer? In fact, a crown cotton tadio. In fact, cotton cars named Pabua, who cotas I say. And Kwaku, they say, Jumaya was starting a ye. Oh, when you're Kofoni now, worry. Koware, now Kwaku, now for Jumanagu. We entrepreneur men jane pi nkoye niema society ne ka kire o koye na say what me be store wanya store ide we say o pe oba bi na o sidan o sidan no apel ka ba bi aka ho say sa na ti abra boni de kwaku no an say o sisi na say wan ware ntema anyo kwaku no wa ware na wape dan kakra bi onya asase adwuma ya ekoso o se kopa asase kwaku ati ase anti wo de kopa asase ne twa blocks guso wa because abrabon no one starting kakra unwie na wape blocks kakra oboa menye oka kire nse wo dase we starting nyo na be kire o start you, so don't let them advise yourself as an entrepreneur. Wo beti o ma futuo no ba yi papa na ewo mu no kwaku say there was so worry sika no ba ukofa oba no ba na adwuma na e pasa ukoto ka na adwuma na agu me ka me nyonko ba ko ye sad entrepreneurship wa fa akiri hu akoto ka ada na wo ba na ka na mbedu fie na nya accident grind ka na asai adwuma na agu wow ubebre because there are some picker. If you are not bold enough to make tough decisions, you will collapse the business for the rest of your life. Because starting is very tough. And you to me starting 100,000, 200,000 over. And yes, I time now go busa car wo. O nyan son car to. Unya 1 million o consider. O boy. Men consider over rent. And entrepreneurship no person o ye sa niema we na we say ohunu. Men rushing consider. Rent and build a business. Rent until you make millions. Rent ya kopim se obenya 1 million. Now if you want start ya kopɛ dan ya den asi. So don't rush. Don't compare yourself to others, right? If you want to be an entrepreneur or successful, you don't compare yourself to others. So whatever that you are doing, whether you are a government employee or whoever you are, you can become an entrepreneur. So just pick a product and sell. You know, I said that starting in here easy. Your colleagues will discourage you. Now, sister Kriapa will be our year, Juman, I was answer tonchene. Now lie no. Well, but if you continue with that business, one day, we'll be resign from a Jumana or a natural law, ampa. Ade a wo ye bia na wo ye no consistent bia wo ma wa ba mu over time no it will explode. Entiniema ba ko mienu a me pese me kire wo no wo ye entrepreneur I say wa hunu vision a wo pese wo de ba out product bi na wa hunu a pese wo de ba out entiniema ba kilo fast no na mechanics is here no one sikana started ba no Russia koware. Number 2 wo koto asase asidan. Number 3 obi mpo de so pe visa wo ton adwuma na ko pe visa. Now nim years do a bet take one son now benya sika na wo de ko abrochire no. No. Now to no anyankofo ne oh I make $2,000 a week oboa. Wan can bills a otua nchiro. So build your business here, become successful, travel to the world, go and explore and come back. Because the business that you are building right now, if you don't take time, you will easily collapse it and travel with the money. Now I'm stranded. Build more businesses first. Let the money bring more money. Absolutely. Kwajo Safo Kantanka Junior. Piao. And to build the business rather. Because in Africa here, Okofage Bakwa and you be a company. Who guys to a companies to now I'm seeing a company managing here. Who get a company three. And to the ye. As you can avoid a trimp now. O nibi uko twimpna o nibi uko to Benz na Benz na paya type paya o gearbox se a obetumi asesa no o business ya mu the whole month na amount 2,000 uko to Benz o nim fuel dodo akoto ram car kesi ram 1 million plus fuel bomba akwa 1.5 obetumi ato no. So don't compare yourself to the people who are flashing their money, because some people they are successful and you can't compare yourself to them. Even if say or music no or man is scanning to the stage or year and cano into who name sa ni partner the who compare as an entrepreneur wafa obi to say obi a politician now the who compare no or no amansi can wo dio abansi ka ye tax no wo use wo nti obetimi dia to cars do do ope wo nso wa na wo de onyansa build business nti wo de who compare ne say wa to car nti metoka over. ye call wedding or more cars or more banner or some car ever match your money and what you say, you will collapse the business. Dime baby any kwanza okota in a honor okoto, you collapse the business. So my name is Richard Awuni. I want to say thank you for watching us. We are Facebook Live and YouTube. Until subscribe my and they share about entrepreneurship, the journey of entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship is not a smooth journey. It is very challenging, and it's a journey that you will have to learn constantly. You go through challenges, you will learn, you will lose friends. People will discourage you. But you have seen a vision, and our person with this have vision about man by reality. And the product now what media about out no. Sa niema no. Wo hu na wo decide say no. Me pesa me ton paboa na me beyam paboa tonfo. Nipa wiase nyina be hu say no akwasi mensa de oyɛ den. O ton paboa. Ai kwadwo safo say oyɛ den. Wodo banche. No nipa nyina hu say safo do banche. Enti se yepe banche ato ana se yepe body ato a yenko safo ho. That is entrepreneurship. So you don't stop until you become successful. You will fight until you give up. And we entrepreneurs are not you. Obey ya kopim se obey ye. And to menjai. What you say? Menjai. Don't quit. Don't quit. Whatever you are going through as an entrepreneur now, don't quit. It's part of the process. I thought that I wouldn't disca. I thought that now sika koloko. Ultimate the product mo be one. Obey this can answer the product no. One farm out. Ultimate mo biska no adwane wo hunu wo frɛ no mpo a wonya no wo frɛ no obesa di atem e ka ho enkwala ultimate diska mo no wadi won kan kyerɛ is part of entrepreneurship. So constantly you are learning. Until we entrepreneur I so be our bodam wo sɔre ana kasa wonko ana wo trɛtrɛ amanfo adapt 10 o'clock na wo te ho trɛtrɛ wo draw budget entrepreneurship your lifestyle no ahomache no wasɔre wo didi mpa ndidi men na woni namu asa bodam sem bi sa na wo namu sa na keka ne ma bom fikyere wo be he na bom enti sa na entrepreneurship life net enye smooth enti wo mpɛsɛ be entrepreneur an kwana koye nurse wo mpɛsɛ be entrepreneur kwana koye doctor ni what you say enti na doctor for ni na mpo they are going into entrepreneurship. One person obey entrepreneur and kwana kochira de 2 o'clock pepe no apon no abafie ono obi ani asem osomisu 2000 na no waje what you say ono obi ani case enti no one person obey entrepreneurship as simple kwana koye lawyer ni obi nya case or the baba no akodi obi anya case ana de hia na wu what you say one person obey entrepreneurship ai say what you say enti no we entrepreneur baby a masses no kono wo mfa hobby. Baby anipa ni nyina de omani akire no wo mo fa iya wo be fa bi because that is the entrepreneurship journey. It's a fight, yes, the biggest fight. Ampa ntoka obitimi be di atema no patutututu won ka bi nhyem customer bitimi be keka bi kire rough because what decided to be entrepreneur. Now government institutions no on ba frustrate you because you have decided to open your own business. We are teacher near institution be na ba how obi how and no answer time now so no. But once you decide to build a business, I didn't change na January for aba, national for aba na workers no, but some was say utia almost net, and January was say utia taxes. I'm be frustrated you sa, and no men ma wa bamu dinemu. Ai abodam for akwantu, entrepreneurship be abodam for akwantu. Ontimi mbodama ontimi nye entrepreneur obi a we entrepreneur bi otise bodamfo wo kasa no wo trɛtrɛ no keka ne ma bom saa but ne ewo mu ni say wo mu no mu wesika no no kra de wo kan de obi a we entrepreneur successful entrepreneur bia no they have the money, they control the cash and you won't tia sia na ma kan kyerɛ no mo am successful entrepreneurship bia no they are far better than lectures no mo kyerɛ ade wo university no. We are far better than Juma CEOs. Obi say me Juma me na me manager of Bank of Ghana ne hwan me na me Juma wo boa hwan musika na mo control entrepreneurship for musika na mo kind of bank ho entino Juma bi a wo ye no you can decide to add entrepreneurship into it na baby a ebe ma ho ahen ha wontem baby a obenya sika baby a over time no wonya sika ho problem. Enti wo pa Ghana hanum entrepreneurs no omo na mo control o mai no Obebo Despite Din, Obebo Tobinko Din, Obebo Adonko, Ibrahim Mahama, Obebo Chedamo, and why they are the people controlling the world. Oman find it easy. They started from somewhere. You will start small and grow it organically. So my name is Richard Awuni. We are ending the live video here, and we want to say thank you for watching us. Na when you subscribe to your platform, na no subscribe my question be a bit me send me. When you subscribe to your YouTube, ne TikTok, now subscribe my. Yes, starting me din kan your books be who advert into me so quick. Now hana unya bia ebe boa and then ebe build am wetimi adi because if you are an entrepreneur, you have to learn constantly. Don't expect people to encourage you. Encourage yourself through videos like this. Encourage yourself through financial books that you are reading. Encourage yourself through entrepreneurship booklet. Anti-billionaires book nenye. Unlimited opportunities, right? Entrepreneurship booklet. Creating tough independence mind. Right? So if you get some, if you DM me, I can help you to get them at everywhere. Maybe our Ghana have unlimited opportunities. There are limited opportunities in Africa. This one is resilience, right? How to develop courage, strength as an entrepreneur. Who needs strength as an entrepreneur? Over 2,000 sales system. You need a strategy as a business owner. What you now need strategy idea business. This one is perspective. How to develop courage, strength. How to develop your mind to start and build your business. This is self-investment. As an entrepreneur, constantly you need to invest in yourself, right? Street Young, tell them we are coming. One energetic young man or so. So reset, building yourself through African history. And yama making wafa unje hundisa bibinia untimi ye ubeja wako tino bia turn business or their copper visa is a walo container bima yadena koto Libya chiro bra or brempo. So real estate obia betimia build estate, but you need to start from somewhere. And this booklet when you boa start take a crack. What do I say? African's advantage, huh? Becoming a positive African, achieving your dreams. As in Africa, as an African, your dream, you can only become successful in where you were born, right? Every successful person is in their country. And to one went to Germany in country, I say control billions. Oboa, Ghana, Hayana, bit me, or more control billions, or no free Ghana, or on the chrome, and to come back here and build. So streamline how to teach yourself money. Money, you need to learn it. Men can't say, oh, koto tight and sand away, oboa, and tina here, no, because you see, canina, I was all the top book we now kind. Now teach Kasi. Now who says can manam, and ye moja, and ye oil, there be oil now, one nominal, ye the young quayun, ye the stew. And the olive oil, no, yan Kasefa Benum, one no mamma of French, yes, if I stew, Neddy, what you say. So financial intelligence, right? I was so intelligent to scam. The people who are intelligent when it comes to finances over time, they get financial freedom. So if you are intelligent, if you are intelligent financially, you will definitely get financial freedom. So financial freedom is whereby your money is working for you. And I'll pay, yeah, that's so hey. Usika ye juma mau, and now ye juma pesca. Usika ye juma mau, and now ye juma pesca. And I'll pay you boss a casa kwaku, just have member juma bima. Can you survive? So boss a casa no pay just have for Messi no pay my UAD. Don't come back here again. Can you survive? If you cannot survive, I will encourage you to join the entrepreneurship business. For entrepreneurship, start something. Don't live on one source of income. Don't depend on one source of income, because I die you were and everybody can become an entrepreneur. The only thing is that obenya kukudro na we are taso. Inti adwuma na wo ye no ene wo master kase member biema adwuma na wo ye na ban no kase ma yiwadi enema be na ba biem enti mentwen ma yiwadi ansa na wa besu afre enti start anwumre wo pon adwuma na niema kakra na obetimi aton edi ska bebre no obi wo hompo ye chingam obi dia pencil obi dia eraser obi dia oya mobile money kakra obi wo ha wakofa mpaboa wo ye student wo classmate fo no wo ye government worker wo colleagues no eniema be na obetimi di ama omo a obenya omo sika akra product be na odwen se wo kofa bre na obenya omo sika wati ase wotimi wo se wo ye abayoa wanyonkofo ni na omo ni je wig ho obetimi afa wig start ato ama omo panties braziers ntade mpaboa. Can you start doing that? Wo colleagues ne niam be na omo pe wo ye be ma otimi so omo pe be mpaboa. Can you start doing that? Wonso wo papa wa asase bi ho obetimi start akodua koko obetimi adua mankani a be mo wa se wusika kakra saa niam no na wo ye ma ho to wo uzikase mo entimen twan ma yenyi wadi ansana wa besu afre wo mo maka no men ma yenyi wadi na wonsa ne nam nkopa adwuma din kan kriti adwuma no yenyi wadi a no aye den wa kɔhye ho no obi abetimi aye anadwo na wada wo de wo phone nam TikTok no wo phone ne company enti internet na wo use no men waste no fa jiska ma wo start ne nya wo office ma wo WhatsApp platform nya wo office ma wo YouTube wo Facebook wo TikTok account no pick product ne ton ho fa bo bibi ho dawuro over time nipa be frɛ wa ma uska da asese wo hia every Saturdays bia na ebo 7 o'clock ka ba ha besua de Facebook and YouTube enti na ya join ye nyamenka ho piao greetings to Kwajosafo da ase chena be call radio so enti munyam fellow Safo Kantanka mun follow no Mr. Oben mun follow no ne books na me de kire ye no enti wonyam hu na go and subscribe to his channel Facebook and YouTube. Thank you for watching us.